So now we are going to see a couple of example where we may need more than two tables. So let's see an example. For every project located in Stafford, list the project number, controlling department number, and the department manager's last name, address, and birth date. Okay. So for every project located at Stafford means we need uh, P number, P location. For every project, location is Stafford. So obviously we are going to need the project table. Okay. So we are approaching step by step. First we are going to look at the query and we'll find out how many tables we are going to need to find the information that the query is asking for. So we need the project information where the P location is Stafford. Okay, obviously we need project table. List the project number, the controlling department number. All right, department number is in the same table, and the department manager's last name, address, and birth date. All right, I need the department manager's last name, address, and birth date. So from the department number, I can actually find from the department number, I can find the department manager information. Okay. Now, from the department number, I can know who is the manager. But who is the manager in the department table? If I go to department table, I can only know the SSN of the manager. Okay. I can only know the SSN of the manager. But what about the manager's last name, address, and birth date? For these three information, I have to go to employee table. Okay, because the manager is an employee, and his all records about the last name, address, and birth date is in employee table. So you can see actually I need these three tables. I need employee, department, and project. Okay. All right, so you can see I need employee, I need department, and I need project table. All right, now about attribute list. Okay, about attribute list, all I need is list the project number, means P number, and the department manager last name, address, and birth date. All right, so we're going to we find out the attribute list, P number, the controlling department number. Actually it is asking also for the controlling department number, so we need the D number. Okay, so you find out the attribute list, P number, D number, L name, B date, address from project, department, and employee. Okay, now finding the selection condition is easy. The selection condition is where we have the absolute value. For example, every project located in Stafford. So the selection condition will be P location equals to Stafford. All right, now I need join condition. So here is the thing is, here I am using three tables. Okay, so what happens if I use three tables? So if I write a very simple statement like that, select just anything, F name or any other attribute from employee, department, and project. So if I write a query, select any attribute from three tables, employee, department, and project. Okay, what happens here also, this is going to create a cross product. The result will be a cross product between employee, department, and project. So every record of employee will be joined with every record of department, and that is going to create a cross product of each employee with each department. And this result, you can see this result will be again cross product with the all project. Okay, so you can see that this is going to be a huge amount of data. All right, say for example, in our table list you can see that we have here 8 employees. Okay, 3 department. Okay, so the record of employee and the record of department, if they are joined together, it is going to create a 24 result. Okay, because each employee will join with each department. Then this result will be cross product with all project, and the result, this is going to create 24 times. Here we have 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, it's like 144 records. Okay, it's like 144 records, and actually many of the results will not actually the related information with each other. Okay, so many of the result will not make any sense because they are just a cross product. So here we have to use join table, but as we are using 3 tables, we need actually 2 join condition. Okay, we have to have join condition to find the related information. That's how actually 2 tables are connected with each other. But now we are using 3 tables, so that's why we need at least 2 join condition. Okay, so let's find out the join condition. So first of all, how this project and department is connected. I have to find out how this project and department is connected. They are connected with the D number. Okay, each project is under with a department number. Okay, and this D number is the foreign key, so you can see that that's how this project and department number is connected. Okay, so here from the query I have to know how all the tables are connected with each other. Okay, so first here we can connect project with department. So one join condition will look like dnum from project equals to d number. Okay, dnum equals to d number, so d number from department, and that department has a manager SSN, and this manager SSN is connected with the employee SSN. Okay, because actually I am using this condition because actually that's what we need. We need the department manager's information. Okay, I have to find out when I will find the controlling department of that project. Okay, then I have to look at the manager SSN information, and using that I have to find out who is the specific employee. Okay, so here I am going to use, this is from department table, and here I have SSN, this SSN from employee table. Okay, so by that I will find actually a specific employee information. All right, so these are 2 join condition I will need. Now look at the final query. So I have here 2 join condition, dnum equals to d number, and manager SSN equals to SSN, and p location equals to Stafford. So this is my selection condition, and these 2 are the join condition. All right, and you can see that all the conditions we have to actually combine them together using AND operator. Okay, you may need like OR operator based on your query, but here we are combining all them using AND operation. Okay, so this condition will connect all project with its controlling department, and this join condition is going to find for the department who is the employee. Okay, and that's finally the selection condition. From that result it will again filter out which project has the location Stafford. All right, so if we have three tables, all right, if we have three tables, one join condition can connect two tables, all right. So that's why if we have three tables, we need at least two join condition, all right. Now let's do some exercise. Retrieve the name of all employees in the department 5 who work more than 10 hours per week in the product X project. Okay, all right. And another example is retrieve the name of all employees who have a dependent with the same first name as themselves. So I want you actually try that by yourself first. Okay, so try to find out the list of tables, then list of attributes. Okay, and then finding the selection condition is easy. You can see that p name is project. Then find out the join condition, how you are going to connect all those tables together. Okay, I will talk about the solution in the next segment.